Okay, we have this if and the else statement. Okay, so the syntax for if statement is that there will be an if statement. If will be the question, while this condition, while there will be an if, and after that there will be condition. Okay, condition will be defined here. All those condition what you want will be defined here. So this if syntax will check whether this condition is true or false. Okay, whether this condition is true or false. If this condition is satisfied, or if this condition is true, then there will be colon define the statements to be executed, the statements that is combined with if statement. Okay, the statement that is combined with if statement will be defined after this colon. Okay, will be defined after this colon. So what is the use of this colon? Colon define the statement to be executed when this condition is satisfied. Okay, so if this condition is true, or if this condition is satisfied, then execute this statement. Okay, execute this statement. Else, if this condition is not satisfied, if this condition is not satisfied, then will directly that your cursor, your program cursor will directly move to else statement. Okay, else statement. In else statement there will be no condition is defined, so it include all those conditions which are not included in if condition. Okay, else will include all those conditions which are not included in if statement, if condition. Okay, so if this condition is not satisfied, then else execute the statement. Execute what statement? This statement. Okay, so let's take see an example. So we have defined a. We have defined a. Here we assign with a. We have assigned enter your A's. Okay, though we have an input also. Input is to scan the input from the keyboard. Okay, input, the use of input function is to scan the input from the keyboard. So here in the input function it is written that enter your A's. Okay, type some numerical value, in as your A's are in number form, so they are in integer or numerical format. Okay, but this type of input function returns only the value in string format. Okay, so that's why I have also included here as int. Okay, why? Because it will convert those string format, into integer form. Okay, that's why I have included int here. Okay, then in the next line, here question starts. If a that means, sorry, this should be capital letter. It should be same with the variable I have written here. Okay, so it should be capital letter. If capital A is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, you must have entered some A's. That means, for example, if you have entered your A's as 17. Okay, so this A will be, instead of this A inside the program, it will change into 17. Okay, 17 is greater than or equal to 18. So the condition become false. Why? Because 17 is not greater, or either it is not equal to 18. That's why this if condition is false. So the cursor will not move here. Okay, so cursor will directly jump over this else statement. Okay, your cursor will directly jump to the else statement. So what are the else statement to be executed? So in else statement we have to execute print not eligible. Okay, so it will print not eligible. When you type your age as 17, then it will display not eligible. Okay, but if you write your age, if you enter your age as 18, okay, 18, now this A, instead of A, you will your program, your system will write A as 18. So A 18 is greater than or equal to 18. Is it true? Because there is a true condition, that means 18 is equal to 18. So there is one true condition, that's why this condition become true. Okay, so it will print eligible for fourth. Okay, and it will not move to else statement, and the program will get exit from this. So those who have understood, please try this program. And those that we have to perform operation between two numbers. Okay, so we have to perform operation between two numbers. So first of all, we need two number. Before the start of the program, we need two number at first. Okay, for that, let's take two number. Num1 is equal to. Okay, so if you want this num1, then so inside this input function, I'll write enter first num2 is equal to input as the program said, it is to be between two numbers. So I have written two number here. I have taken two number as num1 and num2. Okay, then after that, we need an option also. We need an option also. So this option is to be checked. Then next, let's take the option as option, option. Okay, option is equal to input, enter your option. Let us write enter your option. Enter your option. So till now I have defined 3 points, 3 variables, num1, num2 and option. So is this I have to add or subtract? Let us convert into integer. Then second number is also converted into integer. Okay, then third is also option, that's why we need to convert into integer. Okay, then after that, we need to check the option. If the option is 1, then we have to perform addition. If the option is other than 1, we need to perform subtraction. For comparison, we use double equal to. So option is equal to 1. Then after that, we'll write colon. Then what we want to perform, we will chosen is 1. Then print a sum of two number, that is num1 and num2. See, it is asking enter the first number. So let's write first number as 9. Then second number as 7. Then it is also asking enter your option. Okay, if I have written option 1, so it is given as addition of this number 9 plus 7, that is 16. Then let us again run the program. See, now it is running. Then again I have written 7 second number as 5. Okay, then let's write this option as something other than 1, any number other than 1. So let me write 3. Okay, option as 3. Then it is performing subtraction between the first two first number and second number. Second question is that write a program to check whether a number is even or odd. Okay, so we have 3 divide option. First one will return quotient value with floating point. Okay, so if there is any point option, it will return that with that point or decimal option also. Okay, in the quotient. Okay, then next is modulus function. Modulus function, it will return only the remainder part. Okay, it will return only the remainder part. And this one, it will return only the quotient, but without the point or without the decimal option. And we have to see the result. We have to compare with the result. If the result is equal to 0, okay, then print even number. Else print odd number. See, it is asking any number, so 7. Let's write 7. 7 is odd number. Let's see the result. See, it is showing odd number, odd. Okay, then again let's run the program. 6 is even number. It should be printed as result must be even. See, it is showing even. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, that's all for today.